Hi everyone. In this video, we will install Active Directory domain services. But before we install the Active Directory domain services, it's very important to go to user account and put a password for the local account and the administrator account. Because when I install the virtual machine and the Windows server, I leave it blank. If you leave the password blank, they will not accept to install the Active Directory domain services. So now let's go to Manage, Add Rule and Future. Next, we'll choose rule-based. And that's our server. The Active Directory domain service is already I installed for recording this video, and we will install the .NET framework, the last one, and we will click at install. It's not active in here because I already installed, so I will press cancel and go to here and press at promote this server to domain controller. You will at your side, after the install will finished, you will see this notification also. So let me explain these choices. It's very important to know in here we have three choices. If you the first choice, if you already have a domain already set up and you just want to put a second or third domain controller, you will take this add a domain controller to an existing domain, or the second choice, add a new domain to an existing forest. If I want to add a shell domain, in my scenario, I will add a new forest. I will choose the name next. In here, forest functional level determines the oldest operating system that you can run on domain controller. I will choose 2016. That would mean in my forest, I could have domain controllers that run Windows Server 2016 or newer operating. The domain functional level applies to the domain that we are creating right now. I will put the password. Next, you will always see this message when you create a new forest, so it's not a problem. Next, next. In here, so we are going to leave those paths exactly as they are and just choose next. Next. That's the important message. It's passed successfully. So I'll press install. It will take a few minutes. It will give the message that will restart. So not a problem. Let's restart. After it's finished, the domain controller service will be active and ready to use. Okay, let's try now. So now we will check that the domain controller is installed. From here, from tools, now we have Active Directory user and computers. You can add user and computers. Now the Active Directory domain services is worked correctly. That it is for this video. See you at the next